Dear viewers, welcome all of you in Royce Mantra. Today our topic is from NCERT Class 9 Geography, the Northern Plains, Physical Features of India. Northern Plains is very important in the purpose of agriculture in India. It is formed by three river systems. The first one is the Indus river system, second one is the Ganga river system, and the Brahmaputra river system. The plain is formed of fertile alluvial soil brought down by this river system from the Great Himalayas. It is covered an area 7 lakh square kilometer and its length is approximately 2400 kilometer and its width varies from 240 to 320 kilometer. This region is densely populated and has high agricultural productivity. The northern plains is divided into three sections. The Punjab plain, which is western part. The Punjab plains formed of Indus and its tributaries. Second is the Ganga plains. The Ganga plains formed by Ganga and its tributaries. It comprises of states like Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Then comes the Brahmaputra river. The Brahmaputra river lies in the state of Assam, formed of Brahmaputra river and its tributaries. Now, division on the basis of diverse relief features. The northern plain is also characterized by diverse relief features. On the basis of these, plains can be divided into Bhavar, Terai, Bhangar and Khadar. Bhavar, the Nehru belt lying parallel to the Shivalik, composed of pebbles having a wide of 8 km to 16 km, is known as Bhavar. All the streams disappear in the Bhavar belt. Then comes the Terai. It is south of the Bhavar belt. There is a swampy wet area created by streams. This is known as Terai. This region is covered with thick forest with a lot of wildlife. Dudhwa National Park is located in this region. Then comes Bhangar. The largest part of the northern plain is composed of older alluvium. This part is called Bhangar. It is characterized by terraces and contains calcareous deposits called locally kankar. Then comes Khadar. The region of northern plains composed of new alluvium soil is called Khadar. It forms the lowest region of the northern plains. The soil here gets renewed after every flood. Now, the northern plain formed by three river systems, as we know, named Indus river system, Ganga river system, Brahmaputra river system. Now we shall discuss Indus river system. The main tributaries and distributaries of Indus river system is Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj. Dear viewers, there is a short trick to remember all the tributaries and distributaries of Indus. You can read like Jechera Besad. Jechera Besat. If you want to memorize this, you can read in this way. Then Ganga river system. We know that Ganga is one of the major river in the world and India also. There are numerous tributaries and distributaries of Ganga. Among them, Mahanadi, Gandak, Yamuna, Ramganga, Kusi, Son, Sardar, Damodar, Barakar, Ghaghara, Chambal are important. We can remember this name of the tributaries and distributaries in an easy way. There is a short trick. The trick is Mahanadi, Gandak, Yamuna, Ma Gaya, and the other is Ma Gaya, Ramku, Sosa, Deva, Gacha. Here Ma means Mahanadi, Ga stand for Gandak, Ya stand for Yamuna, Ram stand for Ramganga, Ko stand for Kosi, Son stands for Son, Sa stand for Sardar, Damodar stand for Da, Ba stand for Barakar, Ghaghara stand for means Gha, and Cha stand for Chambal. And there are many ranges in the Himalayas region. Some important regions are Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar, Shivalik. You can remember these by short trick like this: Shikala Jas, Shikala Jas. Among these, except these, there are some passes also: Khaibar, Zojila, Gomal, Bolan. You can remember this like this: Khaizo, Gobo, Khai, Khaibar, Zo, Zojila, Go, Gomal, Bo, Bolan. There are, except these passes, there are some passes also: Karakoram, Rotang, Nathula, Bomdila. You can read these like Corona bomb. Nowadays, Corona disease is dancing through the world, so we may give the name like this: Corona bomb. So in this picture we can see the Indus river system. Like, see, Indus river system, the main river of Pakistan. Here are the tributaries and distributaries: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Beas. And some of the tributaries and distributaries are fall in India also. The Indus river started from the Himalaya. Then in this picture we can see the Ganga river system. Numerous tributaries and distributaries lies in this region, and all the rivers and distributaries run through northern plateau of India. Therefore, these rivers and its tributaries and distributaries take plenty of alluvium soil from Himalayas and make the land very fertile. See there, from where the Ganga river started: Rishikesh, Devaprayag, Haridwar, and it flows along the Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, and Calcutta. This is our Ganga river system. So this is the end of the discussion of northern plateau of India. Please follow this channel, and please like my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.